In this video we are going to tell you how to use Etransmit tool in IGiS CAD. The purpose of this tool to package your IGiS CAD drawing or drawings all the necessary dependencies such as fonts, blocks, attributes, etc. The Etransmit tool allows you to set up configuration needed for different clients. First thing you want to do, make sure your file was saved. Then go to the application menu, Publish, then Etransmit, or use command Etransmit. Once you entered in Etransmit command, then click on the transmittal setups. Click on New button for create a new setup. Give the name for new setup. See here first option transmittal package type. Select the package type to create when using this transmittal setup. All files can be contained in one of the following: a new folder, a self-extracting, executable file, or zip file. Second option is file format. Files in the package can keep their existing file format, or they can all be converted to the same file format. Set the default location where this transmittal setup will save packages when they are created. Select how to name packages that are created with this transmittal setup. Select one of the following: saves all files in one folder when files are unpackaged. Saves all files in the original folder structure, which is recreated on the destination computer, when files are unpackaged. This can help with file linking when the files are used on another computer. See here include options. You can include fonts, references, materials, etc. in this package. Select to send the package as an email attachment. Select to remove local printer settings from the package if they will not be applicable on other systems. Select to bind or insert all DWG file external references in the package. Set password for the package. Select to purge all drawings when the package is created. Click OK. Close. Click OK. Give the name for package. Click on Save. You can see all your drawing and other files was compiled in zip. Thank you for watching this video. Explore more at www.igiscad.com.